Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best hair remover wax strips is probably one of the most effective and convenient ways to achieve smooth, hair-free skin right in the comfort of your own home, eliminating the need for expensive salon visits or messy shaving creams that can lead to nicks and irritation. These strips are designed to grab even short, stubborn hairs from the root, providing longer-lasting results than traditional methods and leaving your skin feeling incredibly soft and silky for weeks on end. If you're tired of constant upkeep and looking for a reliable solution for unwanted body or facial hair, then these wax strips might just be your new best friend. Number 5. KoluaWax Premium Waxing Kit for Women. Discover the ultimate at-home waxing experience with our premium kit. It's designed for ease of use, making it perfect for beginners. This complete kit includes everything you need for a smooth finish. You'll find wax beads, applicators, and essential pre- and post-care products. Our formula is specially crafted to be gentle, even on sensitive skin. Enjoy effective hair removal without the irritation. Achieve professional results in the comfort of your own home. It's a simple and effective way to get smooth skin anytime. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This comprehensive waxing kit is an ideal present for Mother's Day or any occasion. What we like? This kit is designed for ease of use, making it perfect for those new to waxing. It includes everything you need for a full at-home waxing experience. If you have sensitive skin and are looking for a gentle yet effective solution, this is the one for you. What people say. These wax strips are pre-coated and ready to use, making them incredibly convenient for at-home hair removal. The included post-wax oil effectively removes any residue and soothes the skin, leaving it feeling smooth and calm. The strips are designed to be flexible and conform to body contours, ensuring effective hair removal even in hard-to-reach areas. Number 4. KoluaWax Hard Wax Beads, Coarse Hair Formula. Introducing KoluaWax's powerful hard wax beads, specifically formulated to tackle even the coarsest hair. Say goodbye to stubborn regrowth and hello to smooth skin. This versatile formula is perfect for a variety of areas. Use it for effective hair removal on your face, Brazilian area, underarms, back, chest, and bikini line. Enjoy a refreshing experience with our unique sea salt and surf scent. It transforms your hair removal routine into a more pleasant and invigorating session. This 1-pound refill bag provides ample product for multiple uses. It's designed to work seamlessly with your existing wax warmers, making refills convenient. We've included 10 large applicator sticks to ensure precise and easy application. Get the perfect amount of wax every time for a flawless finish. Achieve professional, salon-quality hair removal results in the comfort of your own home. Experience the difference that a specialized coarse hair formula can make. What we like? Tackle stubborn coarse hair with this specialized formula. The generous refill size means you won't run out mid-session. If you deal with thick or coarse hair on areas like your bikini line, underarms, or back, this product offers a powerful solution. What people say. The strips are easy to use and effective for removing hair from legs and arms. The included post-wax oil soothes the skin and prevents irritation. These strips are great for sensitive skin, causing minimal redness or discomfort. Number 3. BLITZWAX Brazilian and Bikini Waxing Kit. Introducing the BLITZWAX Waxing Kit, your all-in-one solution for smooth, hair-free skin. Achieve professional results in the comfort of your own home. This versatile kit is designed for effective hair removal on your face, legs, and body. It's perfect for achieving that flawless bikini line too. Never waxed at home before? No problem. This kit is beginner-friendly, making your first waxing experience easy and successful. Get ready to wax in no time. Our hard wax warmer heats up quickly, so you can start your hair removal session without the wait. Everything you need is included. This comprehensive kit comes with 28 accessories to ensure a complete and satisfying waxing experience. Enjoy long-lasting smoothness and boost your confidence with this effective hair removal solution. Get ready to reveal your best skin. What we like? Get your waxing done in no time with its rapid heating feature. It's also incredibly easy for beginners to master. If you appreciate a streamlined process with all the necessary tools included and want a hassle-free at-home hair removal experience, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. These wax strips are incredibly effective for removing fine facial hair, leaving skin smooth. The included post-wax oil is a nice touch, helping to soothe and remove any residue. They are easy to use, even for beginners, and provide salon-quality results at home. Number 2. Tress Wellness Bikini Star Wax Beads. Introducing Tress Wellness Wax Beads, your award-winning solution for smooth skin. Experience the best in hair removal, designed for your comfort and confidence. Our formula is dermatologically tested and safe for all skin types. You can trust it to be gentle while effectively removing unwanted hair. Achieve professional results in the comfort of your own home. This kit is perfect for achieving a flawless finish wherever you need it. Specifically designed for sensitive areas like the Bikini and Brazilian regions. Get salon-quality smoothness with ease and convenience. Don't stop at just one area. This versatile kit is ideal for full-body hair removal, leaving your skin silky smooth from head to toe. Get the generous 1.2 pound size for continuous use. Enjoy long-lasting smoothness and say goodbye to frequent waxing appointments. What we like. This award-winning formula has been rigorously tested for safety. It's suitable for waxing your entire body. If you prioritize products that are dermatologist approved and seek a reliable, high-quality option for comprehensive hair removal, this is a top contender. What people say. These wax strips are easy to use and effective for hair removal. The strips are pre-cut and ready to use, making them convenient for on-the-go touch-ups. They effectively remove even fine hairs, leaving skin smooth. Number 1. Nose Wax Kit for Men and Women. Tired of unwanted nasal and ear hair? Our kit offers a simple solution for both men and women. Achieve smooth results in just minutes. Experience a painless hair removal process with our specially formulated wax. It's designed for safe and effective use on sensitive areas. Get rid of unwanted hair quickly and easily. This kit provides fast 3-minute removal, perfect for a busy lifestyle. Each kit contains 100 g of wax and 30 applicators, providing enough for 15 to 20 uses. You'll have plenty for multiple treatments. This versatile kit is ideal for removing hair from both your nose and ears. Achieve a clean and polished look effortlessly. Our waxing kit is designed for straightforward application. Enjoy a hassle-free grooming experience from start to finish. What we like. Specifically designed for the delicate areas of the nose and ears, this kit offers a quick and painless solution. Achieve smooth results in just minutes. If you're looking for a targeted and efficient way to remove unwanted nasal or ear hair without discomfort, this specialized kit is ideal. What people say. These wax strips are amazing. They removed hair from my bikini line and underarms with no problem. I love that these wax strips are pre-cut and ready to use, making them super convenient for travel. The formula is gentle on the skin and I experienced no redness or irritation after using them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.